Alright, Chris, here's your 1/32 scale Chevy Tahoe. Obviously decaled as a Wyoming Highway Patrol unit. All the proper decals, pictures that I found on the internet of the unit. Weren't very many on there. So, but with what I had, obviously I was able to get all the decals placed, or actually made and then placed properly. Front doors on these open. You probably saw that on the other videos that I have. Inside there's an MDT. Of course, you have the keyboards, some radio equipment, prisoner cage, and between the front and rear seats. And let's see, on this one, I think maybe on the other one I may have used one of the smaller batteries on it. Well, this one, to give it longer battery life, I actually have a 9-volt battery in there. Easy enough to change. Pull this back hatch open here. It opens. Might be easier to actually use a small blade or something, flat screwdriver. But if you open this up, you'll see the 9-volt battery is tucked away inside here. Like I said, it just slides out. Of course, trying to do it on the camera, I'm not going to be able to. But anyway, the 9-volt will slide out. And then, like I said, you can just pop the top off here, the connector off the top of the battery, and then it just slides back in. It will hold itself in place the way the rear seat's trimmed out. It'll hold it in place. So anyway, it's not the easiest thing in the world to change, but it won't need to be changed very often. Like I said, it does just slide out, slide the battery about halfway, and then you can snap the connector back on the top of it. But like I said, easy enough to change. The other battery just doesn't have enough amp hour, won't supply enough current to run this many LEDs on something like this. So the flashing headlights have a tendency to blink a little bit when the other lights strobe because it pulls so much power. So anyway, we went with a 9-volt on it. I also added antennas on the roof, according to one of the pictures that I saw of the units. Probably take those off. I'll have to take the long ones off. Put those in a small Ziploc bag. They'll be inside the box when you get it, inside the actual model's box when you get it, and you can glue those back on when you want to do so. You ask for, or this one's built similar to that Delaware one that you saw that I built. You have red and blue alternating flashers and the fog lights, flashing headlights, red and blue strobe in the grill. You can see those if you look real closely. You can see those in the grill there, red and blue strobes. Those are on a circuit board with patterns. Red and blue strobe light bar on the roof. Red and blue alternating strobe in each side rear window. See those there. Red and blue strobes on the rear visor, again with a circuit board. Flashing headlights, or I'm sorry, tail lights. And you have a red and blue strobe over the rear view mirror as well. So we're going to shut these doors up. The hood does not open on these units. This is a Jada Hero Patrol car. Actually started out as a CIA car. Anyway, decals were removed, added the light bar and whatnot. Switch on here up in the front, just a little press, turns it on, and so goes the light show. Again, run over these real quick. You have red and blue alternating on each side of the fog light there, one on each side. There's your red and blue grill strobes. Again, those are triple strobe alternating. Flashing headlights. Red and blue strobe over the rear view mirror. Again, same patterns as the grill lights. Of course, you see your red and blue light bar on the roof. Red and blue alternating strobe here in the side window. Flashing tail lights. Of course, you can see your red and blue strobe there on the rear visor. Those are inside. They're not mounted to the window, so obviously you can raise this up easily enough. Like I said, they're actually inside the visor of the vehicle. Of course, another red and blue alternating strobe here as well. Decals are coated, again, since these are printed on just regular water slide decal paper. They can be taken off. They're coated with a clear, actually it's a lot of people, modelers use floor wax. It's Future, or Pledge Floor Shine with Future Wax, I think it's called. It's just a clear coat to go over top of these. Works a lot better than the spray-on stuff, the clear coat, because like I said, you can't hardly remove that stuff. If you mess up, it kind of messes up the whole model. So this here is just a water-based type thing. Like I said, you can obviously have some rubbing on those. They're protected enough where you can rub on them, but if they can, like, you can scratch them and they can come off. So just kind of be careful with those. Like I said, with it being a model of this nature, obviously I don't think a kid's going to be playing with it. I think it's an adult probably going to be displayed more than it is messed with. So, but it does roll. So no problems with that. So anyway, I appreciate the order, and like I said, I will get it. I think we're settled up on this one. I'm pretty sure we are. I can't remember. Got too much going on, but anyway, I think we're settled up. So I'll go ahead and get this video uploaded so you can check it out, and then get it mailed out to you as soon as possible. So thank you for your order, and especially your patience. Thank you very much.